Picture this: a little-known crypto miner rockets nearly 700% in a single session. That's exactly what happened to BitMine Immersion Technologies, ticker BMNR, on Monday. But is this meteoric move the start of a new era, or a flash in the pan? The catalyst was a $250 million private placement announced on June 30th, 2025. BitMine will issue roughly 55 million new shares at $4.50 each, giving it a war chest large enough to pivot its strategy. And investors clearly like the sound of that, bidding the stock up from the low fours to an intraday high above $7.50. BitMine already runs immersion-cooled farms that mine Bitcoin and Ethereum in low-cost energy hubs such as Trinidad, Pecos, and Silverton, Texas. Cheaper electricity means fatter mining margins, and the company has historically focused on stacking coins for the long haul rather than flipping them for quick cash. Here's the twist. Every penny from the new share sale is earmarked for buying Ethereum, which will become BitMine's primary treasury reserve asset. Management believes public equity investors want a regulated stock market wrapper around Ethereum's long-term upside. If the experiment works, BMNR could become a hybrid play, part miner, part on-balance sheet crypto fund. There's a catch. At today's prices, BMNR trades at 14 times sales versus just 3 times for the S&P 500. You're paying blue-chip multiples for a microcap that booked only $4.6 million in revenue over the past year. Yes, that top line is exploding, up 158% year over year, with a staggering 295% 3-year CAGR. But profitability tells another story. Operating margin sits at negative 64%, and net margin is an equally sobering negative 78%. Rapid growth without a clear path to positive cash flow can be a dangerous mix. History isn't comforting either. During the 2022 inflation shock, BMNR plunged 88%, vastly underperforming the S&P's 25% drop. Small caps with negative earnings often feel recession pain first and hardest. Bottom line, BitMine's ETH pivot is bold and maybe brilliant, but the stock price already bakes in a lot of optimism. If you crave crypto exposure with less day-to-day whiplash, a diversified, high-quality portfolio might serve you better. As always, do your homework before you hit buy.